Okay, guys, this next activity is radiative heating of land and water. So this just kind of goes with pasta parallels and how not just how the earth is heated differently depending on how it's tilted, depending on direct and indirect sunlight, but also depending on if it's water or if it's land, how it's heated, how it cools down, when the wind blows, all of that together, and weather occurs because of that. So we're looking at really why climate of different places are the way they are, and a lot of that has to do with that heating of land and water and the direct and indirect sunlight. So the next lesson that you would do with your kids, or that you could do with your kids, is actually creating your own land mass with water in a terrarium. I'll save you the actual doing it, but you want to pour sand into where it's about halfway. So you're creating, I think in a lake scene. So half land, half water. And then you have, so the sand is provided for you. You'll have to get your own water. We don't send that. And then we have these lights, which superheat things. So you would clip that. It doesn't quite clip on the side, so you would need something to stand beside it, maybe a book close by, to clip onto it, kind of create a way to do that. I thought they did clip, but that's, or you could just cut off a piece of that and clip. So ideas here. So you would create your little lake scene, and then the idea is you use quantitative data to record, or quantitative observations to record the temperature of the water as you are heating, and depending on the time. So you wait a couple minutes, then you measure says temperature measures while heating. So time in minutes, it goes from 3 minutes, 6 minutes, 9 minutes, 12 minutes. So the idea is you are allowing them to discover that, oh, the water doesn't heat up as fast as the land does, but the land cools down faster than the water does. So that comes to play with how the weather and climate are different in different areas, and how that changing of temperature with the land and the water affect weather in general. So it all pulls together. Weather has a lot of different factors, and that's one of those things. Along with this, make sure they make a prediction first with the radiative heating, but there's also graphing, and we need our kids to graph. So this is a good way to have them practice those science skills, and then follow-up questions, student sheet at the end. So if you have any questions, especially how to build it or what you think that should look like, just let me know. I'll be happy to show you in another video. So, thanks.